Hey guys, this is your Battalion Next Go Cadet Major Hooks. I'm going to be showing you how to put your items on the Class B female uniform. First, we're going to start off with the nameplate, which you should have already received. Just like it says on your study guide, the nameplate is 1 to 2 inches above the top button. For Class B, the top button is the third button down. So you're going to start at the top right here, 2, 3. So you're going to take the measurements right here. As you're measuring your nameplate, make sure that you put the 1 inch mark right here at the top of the third button and then slightly rotate it towards the left and then center it on the right side. And once you have it there, you can go ahead and place your nameplate on the uniform. On Class B, your items can tend to be a little flimsy, so I would use an index card, cardboard, or cardstock, whatever works for you. It'll help keep it from leaning forward. So what you're going to do, you're just going to put it on the back. Can we edit that out? So what you're going to do, you're just going to add it to the back of your nameplate. Next item we have is the star, which you should have already received as well. It looks just like this if you don't know. The star is 1/4 of an inch above the nameplate and centered. So what you're going to do, you're going to take a ruler again and you're going to find the 1/4 mark. This is right here where the blue line is. Can you see it? The 1/4 mark right here. You're going to find the center of your nameplate for cadet white. It's right there where the eye is. And you're going to put it right at the top of the nameplate and then center your star. And just like the nameplate, you're also going to use the same piece of cardboard or damn, what's it called?
Index?
I forgot what it's called.
An index card?
Yeah, index card. You're going to use the same cardboard or index card for the star as well. And this last step is very important. Please make sure you put these on before you actually put on your uniform. These little gold pieces right here, these are called gamuts or stoppers. They're going to keep the needles of the nameplate and star from stabbing you in the chest, so please put these on. And that's it for the right side of your uniform. Now moving on, if you attended our day, you would have received a ribbon for just attending as well. They go on this little gold things called bars, and they go on the left side of your chest, directly parallel from your nameplate, centered. It's still 1 to 2 inches on the left side. So there's 2 ways you can do this. One, you can measure it just like how you did with the nameplate, or you can guesstimate and just put it on your nameplate and slide it over, and then boom, you have your measurements. But I'm going to show you how to use the ruler instead. So again, 1 to 2 inches right above the third button, and then you're going to rotate it to the opposite side and center it on the left. You're also going to use cardboard or index cards on this as well, so make sure you put that in the back. And last but not least, put your gamuts on the back of your ribbon. And when you're all done, button it all the way up. And for Class B, you will not button this top one. You will leave it unbuttoned, and it will show the white t-shirt you have. So that concludes this uniform placement video. A few things I want to add. With Class B, you do have to wear a white t-shirt underneath, and the reason why this top button is unbuttoned is to show that you're wearing it. Neck tab is optional, but when you're in inspection, do not wear it because you will get points taken off for it. So don't wear the neck tab. Other than that, thank you for watching this video and have a good day.